back to Aegis Armors, everybody. Today we're looking at this Lexus SUV. As you can see, it's got this awesome silver, almost gold hue paint to it. We're gonna do a quick walk around and tell you how it came in this week. It came in with horrible water spotting on all the glass and all of the paint. And so, other than that, the scratching and marring wasn't actually too bad on this vehicle, and it is silver color, so it doesn't show up too bad. But the water spots definitely made it look less glossy and dulled it down a bit. So with our process, we did a single stage paint correction on this one. It ended up being perfect to take the water spots off and bring up that gloss level. And that's all the paint correction we did. It was on all the painted surfaces. The only other thing that we did is on all of the glass, we removed the water spots as best we could. We'll show some before and after pictures of that for sure. Just stay tuned a little bit later in the video. We'll show you that. But yeah, this glass came out a lot better than what it came in as. So yeah, after everything was cleaned up nicely, we put our Aegis Armors 5-year ceramic coating on it. And as you can see, that 5-year coating brings up that gloss level a lot and just makes the car look incredible. As well as this car is going to be super easy to clean now with that ceramic coating on it. It's just going to have to wash it, once a week or two with just a foam cannon and a pressure washer, and then every 3 or 4 months just do a hand wash and apply a renew to it, and this car is ready to go. It's going to stay looking this good. Super easy to maintain, super glossy. So yeah, other than the paint, we applied our Aegis Armors glass coating to all the glass surfaces, and as you can see here, all the glass is super shiny, and it's got the coating on it, so whenever it's raining, it's going to be super easy to see out of the windshield, out of all this glass. The rain's just going to fly off of it. So yeah, that's the main benefit of getting the glass coating. We did not do the wheels on this one, opted out on that one, but we did put our Aegis Armors Black Widow tire shine on these tires. It can be applied in a satin or gloss finish. Went for the gloss finish on this one. So you can see it's nice glossy tires. And then finally, to wrap everything up, we put Cerakote on all of the trim. All the black trim around the vehicle has Cerakote on it. It's going to darken it up a lot, make it glossy, as well as protect it from the sun and make it easier to clean up. So yeah, that's about everything with this vehicle this week. Thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for the before and after shots coming up. Thank you.
So as we talked about on all the videos, basically the maintenance on this vehicle is every couple weeks you'll rinse the vehicle off. You'll take a foam cannon, you'll use our Foam Fury soap or Spectrum, or a combination of the two. Apply the soap to the vehicle, let it sit for about a minute, rinse it off. About once every 3 months, you'll take our Renew product, which is a ceramic booster. After you do a hand wash in the vehicle and dry it, you'll take a damp microfiber cloth, apply the Renew to the entire surface, take a dry microfiber and wipe it right off. That's all you'll need to do in the vehicle, even with a graphene coating on it. We also used our Black Widow tire shine. It's a no sling tire gel. It can be put on in a satin finish or a high gloss. And as always, we give an instruction guide when we do a ceramic coating on a vehicle. On the very back page, it has a quick do and don't for going through a car wash as well as doing a home wash. So if it's something you're interested in doing in your car, give us a call, 336-570-9790, and we can get you right in. A job like this typically takes 3 to 4 days. Have a great day.